Okay, so now we're going to start the reassembly procedure, and we're going to start with the plate. I'm just going to take a little bit of some lithium-based grease, and we're going to put a little bit of grease on the surface of that plate. I don't need to over-grease this, just want to put a little grease on the surface so the air cups can slide over it nice and easy. And again, I'm just going to take a small needle nose, and I'm just going to set the air plate down inside, taking caution again not to damage that lapped surface. All right, take the plungers now. We'll put the U-cups on, and again, remember when you put these U-cups on, you want those sealing surfaces to go towards the small end of the plunger. We'll take a little bit of the lithium-based grease. I'm going to get inside, and I'm going to just put some grease in the bore of the plunger insert. I'll put a little bit right on the U-cups as well. We'll take those and we'll just set those right inside. Try not to push it in too far. If you push it in too far, you'll just have to pull it back out so you can get the cups to line up. Do the other one again with the sealing surfaces of the U-cup going towards the small end of the plunger. Okay, then we'll do the same with the pins. Again, we don't want to push those in too far. We want to make sure we can get the cups installed back on. All right, so now the plungers and the pins are in position. We'll go ahead and put the air cups back in place. Once again, I'm just going to go in nice and straight, and if the pins don't line up with these little tabs, just go ahead and move things around a little bit until they do. This one's out just a little bit too far, so we'll move him in. And then once he's in, just make sure that it moves freely. And we'll repeat that for the main air cup. And make sure that one moves around freely as well. All right, the last thing we have left is going to be the O-ring for the valve cover. We'll just put a little bit of lubricant on that as well. Put the cover back on. And then when we're all done with that, we're just going to torque this down to 80 to 100 inch-pounds. Good. All right, and that completes the repair of the air valve of the 515 diaphragm pump. Keep in mind when you get this pump from the factory or when you rebuild it, you're going to lubricate it. If you need to lubricate it after that, every 500 hours of operation, you can simply remove the air line and add a couple drops of machine oil.